Hi guys, how to draw lips in easy peasy style.
The only things you need are a 6B pencil, a cotton swab and an eraser.
Firstly, you draw a curvy line for in between both lips. Then you draw another line for the upper lip.
Then draw a line for the bottom lip.
How darker the application, the smoother the lips look. And here comes the fun part.
Now the lips are forming. Blend it all out. Add some lines to the side. And again, blend it all together. Blend, blend, blend. We're forming them out more by placing some lines over there, and afterwards you can blend it out. We actually don't want harsh lines. For the highlights, we erase some of the lips to create a realistic effect. And now we're gonna add some shadow underneath the lip.
Thank you for watching. Follow for more content. Bye!